Out of the 100 jurors questioned today, 86 of them said they had some knowledge of the case. There were only 14 people who didn't know that Bill Cosby is charged with these crimes. And those people, several of them, came before the attorneys in individual questioning and were asked, can you put what you know and what you learned in the media aside? And most of them said they could. The judge wants to have 12 jurors and 6 alternates because the trial will be about 300 miles east of here in Montgomery County. As a result, in case there's travel hardships or something like that, the judge wants to have an ample pool of replacements. There are still 41 people out of the 100 that were summoned today that still need to be brought into court tomorrow to be questioned individually. If they don't get the remaining 13 jurors they need, they'll start again with another pool of 50. But I would have to say that most observers were a little surprised that we got 5 jurors today. I think that was on the high side of everybody's realistic expectation. And as this goes on, it typically gets easier. And the reason being, both sides have so many challenges that where they don't have to give any reason. If they don't like the look of a juror, they can just strike the juror. Well, after they run out of those, the process becomes faster. One of the questions that was the most frequently answered is, would serving on a 2 to 3 week trial on the other side of the state be a hardship? There were several jurors that were dismissed for that. There were a couple that indicated that they knew something about the case and had an opinion, and they weren't going to be able to ignore that opinion. And so the judge, of course, and the attorneys for both sides want them to decide the case only on the evidence. If somebody has read or heard something in the media, they don't want anybody who's going to bring a preconceived notion into the case. Those types of things.